What happens to your body when you start eating honey every day? Honey has been used by countless cultures all around the world over the past 2,500 years. While the numerous health benefits of honey have made it an important element of traditional medicines such as Ayurvedic treatments, scientists are also researching its benefits concerning modern medicine, particularly in the healing of wounds. Honey is a great source of antioxidants, which help in fighting free radicals. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties and is known to be good for coughs and cold. It is known as Honig in German, Mila in Italian, Shahad in Hindi, Meal in French and Spanish, Mel in Portuguese, in Russian, Honing in Dutch, and Mu Epsilon Lambda Iota in Greek. There is almost no part of the world where honey is not widely used and celebrated as a part of the cultural diet. But what makes it so popular? Most likely, it is the ease with which it can be consumed. One can eat it directly, put it on bread like a jam, use it in place of sugar in juices, or mix it with warm water, lime juice, cinnamon, and other herbs for homemade medicine. It is preferred for its taste as well as health benefits, making it extremely useful and versatile. What happens to your body when you start eating honey every day? 1. Healthy sweetener. It can be used as a substitute for sugar in many foods and drinks. It contains about 69% glucose and fructose, enabling it to be used as a sweetener, which is far better for your overall health than normal white sugar. Honey also contains a variety of vitamins and minerals. The type of vitamins and minerals and their quantity depends on the type of flowers used for apiculture. Commonly, honey contains vitamin C, calcium, and iron. The vitamin and mineral content in regular sugar, on the other hand, is completely insignificant. 2. Weight loss. Honey is known to be effective for reducing weight as it has a low glycemic index, which helps in controlling weight gain and fat accumulation. It also fights obesity by lowering blood glucose levels and improving lipid metabolism, thereby also preventing the risk of metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome causes obesity. To learn more about how honey helps with weight loss, you can read our article on the same, Is Honey Good for Weight Loss? 3. Provides cough relief. In 2012, a research was conducted on 300 children, 1 to 5 years, to find out the effect of honey on nocturnal cough and sleep quality. The results published in the Pediatrics Journal showed that it could be a preferable treatment for a cough and sleep difficulty associated with childhood upper respiratory tract infections. Another research suggests that giving 1.5 teaspoons of honey to kids before bedtime can be an effective cough remedy. 4. Boosts energy. According to the USDA, honey contains about 64 calories per tablespoon. Therefore, it is used by many people as a source of energy. On the other hand, 1 tablespoon of sugar will give you about 15 calories. Furthermore, the carbohydrates in it can be easily converted into glucose, since it is very simple for the body to digest this pure and natural substance. For the same reason, it is also known to improve athletic performance. 5. Improving memory. Honey contains polyphenols that can significantly improve the memory-related functions of the brain. It counters deficits in recall functions and induces memory formation at the molecular level. It is this modulation of neural circuitry that helps in improving memory. Research on Tualang honey, multifloral honey found in Malaysia, found that its intake improves the brain morphology to improve various learning and memory functions. 6. Antiseptic property. When applied topically on wounds, honey has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It is often used as a natural antiseptic in traditional medicines. In vitro tests on different medical-grade kinds of honey showed potent bactericidal activity even in the presence of antibiotic-resistant bacteria that infections in humans. However, the antimicrobial activity depends on the source of nectar. 7. Antioxidant properties. It contains nutraceuticals, which are very effective for the removal of free radicals from the body. As a result, our body's immunity is improved against many chronic health conditions. A study on the antioxidant properties of honey, published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, attributed these qualities to the presence of a wide range of compounds, which include phenolics, peptides, Maillard reaction products, organic acids, enzymes, and other minor components. 8. Skin and hair care. Milk and honey are often served together since both of these ingredients help in creating smooth, beautiful skin. Consuming this combination every morning is a common practice in many countries for this very reason. A study published in the European Journal of Medical Research investigated and confirmed the use of honey for dandruff and dermatitis. It said that crude honey could markedly improve seborrheic dermatitis, its associated hair loss, and prevent relapse when applied weekly. It is also used in various cosmetics, including face washes, moisturizers, shampoos, and hair conditioners, as per research published in the Journal of Ayurveda. 9. Speeds wound healing. Significant research is being carried out to study its benefits in the treatment of wounds. It possesses antimicrobial properties. It helps in promoting autolytic debridement. It deodorizes malodorous wounds. It speeds up the healing process by stimulating wound tissues. It helps in initiating the healing process in dormant wounds. It also helps in promoting moist wound healing. Honey and garlic combo recipe. Garlic-infused honey will boost your immune system and keep you in good health. Ingredients: 3 to 4 heads of garlic, 1 cup raw honey, a small jar with a lid. Method: separate the garlic heads into cloves and remove their outer layers. Put them into the jar, and then pour honey over them. Remove bubbles if necessary. Cover the jar with a lid, and put it away to infuse for a few days. Take 1 spoonful a day on an empty stomach, and you will feel energized and healthy like never before.